Eye pins are versatile and a time saver when it comes to making easy jewelry. Let me teach you how. Eye pins are essential to making jewelry. Normally they're used like this, where you're connecting beads together in kind of a chain style. But today I'm going to show you a different way to use them. It's going to be so easy and I hope you like it. Here are the tools and supplies that we're going to need for this project. You'll need some eye pins, short ones and longer ones. You'll need 10mm jump rings. You'll need a pair of ear wires, and you will need either flat nose or chain nose pliers and a one-step looper. Let's talk about the actual eye pins. For this design, you're going to need 43 15mm in length eye pins and two 22mm eye pins. And these are going to be the two that connect these segments together right there. So they just have to be a little bit longer. The first step is to take your pliers and twist open your jump ring like so, and then thread on 15 of the small head pins. And make sure the opening is facing the same direction. Now grab your plier and close that up. So now you have your bottom segment. Now I'm going to take one of my longer eye pins, and with my one-step looper, I'm just going to use the very end of it in the tool. Line it up about right there. Hold this part and squeeze. So now you have a little connector. And if you need to, you can kind of squeeze that a little just to make the loop a little bit smaller. And while we're at it, we'll go ahead and make our other one. And this here is just enough material for one earring right now. This is the 2.25mm loop, one-step looper. That means that this loop is 2.25mm. And this is the medium size. Okay, now I have my two little connectors. And I'm actually gonna open up this jump ring one more time and slide one on. And just make sure that all your openings are facing the same direction if you can. Okay, now we're ready to move on to the next little segment. Grab another jump ring, and these are the 10mm jump rings. Open that up, and now this time you're gonna slide on 7. And then slide on your little connector, and then 7 more. And then slide on your other little connector that is going to go from the top of it. Boom. And close that up. Okay. So now we just have one more segment to go, and the pattern is just like, pretty much like what we just did. Grab your jump ring, Open that up. String on 7. And then your connector. And then your last 7. And then if you want, you can go ahead and slide your ear wire on as well. And then close it. And that's it. You may have noticed this little box of pins next to me, and you can buy this here and make this design in all different colors. We have the silver tone, rose tone, gold tone, and different sizes. So here I have on the rose tone, and you can see they're really lightweight, not heavy at all. Great if you want to make a statement, maybe like a party, and just fun. Let's go over the supplies and tools one more time. You're going to need eye pins, the shorter and the longer. You're going to need ear wires and 10mm jump rings. You will need 2 pairs of pliers, either flat nose or chain nose, and the 2.25 one-step looper. If you need any of the tools or supplies we used today, check out the links in the description below. What other ways would you use eye pins, and what would you create? Let us know in the comments below, and while you're there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you guys next time.